just kind of felt a presence, but we didn't see her. Yeah.
I'm not doing anything.
Let's go, Rick, so you're not scared.
Go prove it wrong? Well, just go. You're awake at midnight, aren't you? No.
I don't want to go.
Why not?
I just don't want to go, I said.
Okay.
We're not going tonight. We're not going yet, okay?
Okay.
Have you take a class or you can go. You could take a class in the Bible. And you can go and you'll be safe. Really? Try it.
Mom, you better not take me there tonight.
Ask Theo. He's the one who wants to go.
I don't want to go, Mom. If he wants to go, he can go by himself, but I don't want to go.
What if he wants me to go with him?
We're not going.
You stay home?
Yes.
By yourself?
No, you're staying home with me. We're going to stay home, and we're not going.
Okay.